aka Hannah. So, yeah. There we go, that looks good. Does this sound good?
Yeah. I'm using
Now, time to make this into different colors. I'm just gonna make, I'm gonna make less green than the other two. So,
and the more shaving cream you add,
yeah.
the less likely that in one day it'll be like it won't be deflated if you add.
Yeah, cause like I made this on like Monday, and it's just like not fluffy anymore. Yeah.
It deflates a lot.
I'm gonna make this green. Free shabakadoo. How many drops did you do?
3, 2 or 3.
Oh wait, but that's for a big amount.
Oh well.
Oh no! Dang nabbit! Dang nabbit!
We gave it to him.
Oh, we need to get candles. Okay. But yeah, there we go. Here's the green.
Cake mix and frosting? Do we eat frosting?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Sorry, we were just having
And
conversation
sprinkles.
still while doing this. So,
And sprinkles.
but yeah, it's actually pretty light color. I like it. Perfect for a unicorn. So we have that.
It's like a pastel. Here's my giant batch of
No, get that out.
Sickening sweet.
We won't.
You know.
We'll get Pillsbury.
So okay, this is done.
Like sickening
It's still a bit sticky, but
And I want a cake.
you never killed anyone.
And not the layer cake, but of the other cakes in the pan, cheat cakes.
So, okay.
Cheat cake.
Can we just buy a cake?
No, because that stuff's disgusting.
No, not the
Only the whipped.
What about what
The
do you call
whipped is
it?
good.
The whipped one or the
The
Butter-
whipped one.
Yeah, I can't have a frozen one because you have to keep it up in the freezer. Oh yeah, in the freezer.
Buttercream.
What freezer? You don't own one.
It's another part.
1, 2, 3, 4. An accident. Okay, this one's time for the purple. I'm just gonna do this. I bet you my hands will turn purple a bit. Mamma mia, mamma
There's not enough.
mamma mia.
Shaving.
Wow, it's already like deflated.
Do you know how to do coals?
What?
Do you know how to do coals?
What are that?
Like the quiz things like on the corner.
Oh, yeah, I know how. You gotta do it on like the computer though. Oh wow,
How do
look
you
at
do it?
that.
I do them on the computer. I do my videos on the computer. And
1015, I should box that for $1, right?
There we go.
4 digits, just put 4 digits.
Oh, no. You can't combine yet.
Then I got 7, 12, 15,
Okay.
23. and
I guess I kind of made.
because if you did do a poll, you should
And I
ask
got for another
if I use enough
one
shaving
that's
cream.
1, 2, 3, 4, take a 5 number. See, this one is
Time
a
for
color,
blue.
7, 12, 15, 18,
And-
This is a gallon.
and a color ball too.
I'm probably gonna end up combining this, even though it might not look good afterwards.
10, 12.
I'll still like it.
You should do a teal. No, you should swirl it all under the white.
Well, you're not the boss of the slime.
Well, you can sure tell when you got sisters and when you don't. Yeah, what did she say? She says you're not the boss of me or something.
Of the slime.
The slime.
Okay, time for the blue.
I wouldn't hear
2,
you.
3,
Yeah,
4.
I would.
No, I'm doing about.
Talk nasty to her. I don't ever say nothing nasty.
Okay. Let's keep blending this in. Now my hands are gonna get dyed. Well, I risked it. I risked it for a biscuit at the video.
Yes.
Oh, I like that car.
So ready for when I'm older and I can sell merchandise. Biscuit for biscuit. Oh, that's a pretty bright blue. Now the camera does not do justice for this. Like, that looks like a light blue. It's way brighter.
It's like neon blue.
Yeah. This is the brightest one out of them all. Now, I probably should put a bit more shaving cream in them all, because they were starting to deflate. Just a bit in each of them.
Melissa wants to go home early on because she's gonna go to the viewing.
There we go.
Oh, that's right. The biggest, Uncle Bob's mother. No, not Uncle Bob. The other Bob.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
Nope. There we go.
Jake, what's his name? Your good friend. Yeah, and she said she's like about another thing.
There we go.
Papa,
Yeah, well, they told me about the numbers.
look at all this slime.
There's the green.
Well, some are 6, some are 7, some are 5. What?
Here's the purple.
As I said, don't waste it on just because you're going home.
That's the purple. Everything's becoming fluffy again.
Right?
Time for the
She
blue.
didn't use a lot, Grandma.
Huh?
She didn't use a lot of blue.
It's
She
just
used
the
like-
shaving cream.
Yeah.
That
if
makes
you
it a
add
lot.
Too much shaving cream, it like multiplies it by like 4 times
Wow.
It's like a blob.
because it
There
has so
we
much
go.
air in it.
Everything's
it makes,
fluffy again.
it-
Now I'm just gonna combine everything.
you can make fluffy slime like
Hey Hannah, you wanna help me?
You're arguing, how you put stuff on.
Just I need a camera person.
It's keeping it covered.
Just okay. No, you gotta
Should be almost healed up now.
get like behind me. And, okay, that's so okay.
I'm not gonna
I'm just gonna.
This looking.
And if you want to include them out, no, never mind. Okay. So okay. Gonna combine them.
So many parts.
That looks really cool.
I don't know.
That looks amazing.
looks like a unicorn mane.
I know. That's time for the green. Sadly. I'm glad I did less green.
I need to enter your number on any of them, just add a number.
Bless you. There we go. Let's just do some of that. So this.
You direct 10 and 15.
Whoop.
If you would direct 10 and 14.
Alright, you gotta stay over it.
That would have been, it was 10, just as plain as can be, 10.
And now, let's just.
15. The 10 is the one that I saw first.
That looks cool.
You know,
That's amazing.
did I see that right? Did
I
see the exact
love
one?
this.
I didn't quite-
Okay, I need a picture of this real quick.
Oh, look at that, what do you call it?
So,
What is it? I want that,
okay,
I want that right there.
there we go.
That, I want that.
Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. I love this so much. Like, look at that. Stay out of it.
Go to the bathroom. Show great grandma. Look at that, it looks like cotton candy.
Man, camera crews just don't know how to stay out of stuff.